Welcome back to the Chicken Coop series. Off camera, we painted the structure while it's easy to do so. We also framed out the doorway so we're able to access the run later on. Before we can attach the roofing, we need to put on our rafters at the end of each side. To do so, we clamped both sides on and made sure they met in the middle of the structure. Once we liked the placement, we would pre-drill our holes and then send screws into the purlins, and it would hold the rafters with no issues. Before adding the metal roof, we had to cut the 8-foot sheets in half. There's definitely fancy tools that can do this, but we went with the hand workout option by using the metal snips. By doing this, it would leave us a small gap in the middle that would eventually get covered by the ridge cap. When attaching the roof, we clamped down the ends to keep it in place while we pre-drill the holes. After doing that, you want to use roofing screws to attach the metal to the wood. The screws have a neoprene washer, which will provide a waterproof seal, but also prevent corrosion and rust and allow this roof to last a long time. Now, enjoy the B-roll of attaching the screws to the metal roof. Once you have both sides installed, you should have this gap in the middle. This will get covered by the ridge cap at the end. Next step, to give our chicken coop a clean finished look, we add our fascia boards. We will attach it to the end of the rafters. Now to finish the roof off, we install the ridge cap. We will do the same process as we did with the roofing. One thing that we will add on the coop end is foam. That will prevent the elements and pests from entering that side, and you'll see that coming up in a few moments. The bottom of the foam has an adhesive, so you'll press it down once positioned correctly on the roof. Make sure you keep it higher up. If not, the ridge cap will not cover the foam, and then it will just look weird, and then it will leave a residue all over your roof when trying to rip it up. To finish covering the roof, we cut the last ridge cap down to length and install following the process as before. Before we cut to the final B-roll of the roof being finished, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below on how it turned out.